PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday morning, the 5th day of March. Hey, the warming trend rolls along. We're talking highs up in the 70s over the weekend. It's going to feel awfully good. Let's go to some of the Skycam shots around the network early this morning. We'll start with the view coming from Tuscaloosa. Looking east from the top of the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse, readings are well above freezing there, but on the other side of the state, there in Gadsden, the low spots are below freezing. Got a huge spread out there this morning, you'll see in just a moment. And from Birmingham, there's the view looking to the south from the top of the Daniel Building. This morning in the water vapor satellite shot, you can see a trough moving into the west coast. The old subtropical jet stream pushing some high cirrus clouds into Alabama, spilling over the top of the ridge to the west, but those are not rain clouds. We'll see no rain for the next few days. And there's the big spread. Look at that. You talk about this not being a one-number place. Temperatures are 18 degrees difference there from Gadsden to Tuscaloosa. Gadsden 28, Tuscaloosa 46. Birmingham sitting at 45. But again, in coming days will be well above freezing as south winds take over. And that old cold pocket just is totally gone. QPF expected rain for the next 5 days, valid through Monday evening. And this is suggesting maybe a little bit. You know, there could be a few isolated showers Sunday or Monday, but we think the better chance will be north and west of here. More than likely, the next organized rain will be out there toward the middle of next week, as you'll see. And hey, convective outlook. Got a day 4 and day 5 area off to the west. I wonder if those things are flip-flopped. If the D4 should be farther west and D5 farther east. One way or the other, there could be some active convection over Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, northwest Louisiana early next week, and we'll be monitoring for any severe weather potential here toward the middle of next week as that rolls in here. Here's the 06C GFS at noon today. Trough moving into California. And around here, south winds taking over. We'll be up there in the upper 60s today. Tomorrow, how about mid-70s? That'll feel awfully good. Any showers will stay north. Saturday, the warm ridge covers the southeastern states. While there's a cold trough out over the Rockies, and out there there'll be some good snow for parts of the Rockies. But around here, great weather. Be up there close to 77 on Saturday. Sunday, again, you can see some hint of maybe isolated showers, but I don't think it rains much at all. And Monday of next week, the same deal. Enough moisture's in place for a few showers around here, but certainly not a major rain event. Here's a look at Tuesday. There's the big storm coming out of the plains. Nice batch of cold air behind that. Can turn awfully cold up north on the Canadian border. And that's when you could see some fairly active storms down through Memphis and Monroe, Louisiana. But really, Wednesday, the dynamics with this thing are just kind of fizzling out. It takes it way up north, and it kind of merges with that big Canadian vortex, and really the front just eases in here and kind of stalls out almost. That's suggesting maybe our best chance of showers and storms would be Tuesday night, with the rain shifting down into South Alabama on Wednesday. We won't roll with that at this point. We've got our main chance of rain and storms Wednesday in the ongoing forecast, and we'll adjust that later if need be. And then Thursday, the front just stalls out to the south. And then on Friday of next week, Friday the 13th, it looks wet. So instead of the cold air getting in here toward the end of next week, this is suggesting maybe the front stalling out. So again, we'll watch for trends with that. 3 days later, that's a pretty good looking trough on March the 16th, and that looks stormy and wet. And that's what you expect in mid-March. And then on the 20th, kind of a trough, a cold trough over the east, and that looks pretty cold, the 540 line down to Birmingham. And again, we caution you, we can have very cold weather well into March and sometimes April. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.